morning meal without cocktails is just breakfast. Alright, this is a really easy one. There's a list of ingredients and all you need to do is put all those ingredients in the bowl, stir it, and serve it. I've already started with my punch bowl, aka the biggest chip bowl in my trailer, and filled it full of ice from the ice maker. So all I need to do is add my 2 liters of Sprite, 2 cups of orange juice, 2 cups of pineapple juice, 2 cups of vodka, a bottle of Prosecco, and a little bit of fruit. Okay, Prosecco is popped. We've got the rest of our ingredients here. We're going to do 2 cups of Sprite, 2 cups of orange juice, 2 cups of pineapple juice, and 1 bottle of Prosecco. Our fruit's over here, so we're ready to go. Okay, so everything's in the bowl. All we need to do is give it a stir and serve it up. It's perfect for brunch. It's not too strong, it's not too sweet, and it's a great start to your day.